Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm your host, A Grown Man with Toys, and if you didn't see my Candy Lab video from earlier this week, you might notice that I am sick. I have been sick for the past 3 weeks to a month, and now recently I've discovered that I have a sinus infection, so I've got me some antibiotics to help take care of that. But if you're wondering where I've been, I have just been sick and I've been trying to rest, but I figured since these came in, I would do a review on them since they're pretty much brand new. This is the Otherworld 2025 Release 3. Let's just open them up. So these actually have a chance of having an Ultra Red in them. These are both sealed cases from them. These are pre-orders that I put through the website. And they should be showing up in stores soon. The reason I pre-ordered these is because my stores usually kind of stink with stocking things. Most of everything has just been the same for the past couple of months, and so I just haven't had the best of luck. So we'll get that extra bit of cardboard out of the way. Cut open both boxes. I'm starting off in the wide angle lens. I might switch a portion of the way through, but I'm just doing this to kind of get everything in the shot. And I actually don't really remember what all is supposed to be in these boxes. But I will open up version A first. I guess unbox them. Let me get all these out of the way. I don't mind if I do get an Ultra Red. It is what it is. If I do get one, cool. If not, who cares? Alright, so this is version 1. I'm going to just try and find whatever number 1 is on the list. That's number 3. So the GT40 is number 3. So I kind of want to do these in order. There's number 5, the Supra. Number 1, there we go, the Plymouth Fury 3. And this cool Bahama yellow. I love yellow. Yellow's my favorite color. So I'm glad that that is not an Ultra Red. And the Vans are number 6. The Wagon, number 4. 3, 4, 5. And I'm assuming the next one is going to be number 2, which we see the return of the Plymouth Barracuda. So those are all in line right there. No Ultra Reds in box 1, which is fine. I'll just put those off to the side. And then let me just try and find what goes in order. So the Plymouth Fury, I think, is this one. Yep, in purple. Then we got the Barracuda in red. No, that's the Wagon. That's number 4. GT40, number 3. And number 6. Barracuda, number 2. And then I think Supra's in here. As number 5. So no Ultra Reds, that's okay. 2, 3, 4. Nope. Let me get this box out of the way. I'm freaking knocking everything over. 4, 5, 6. Alright. Okay, let's swap to the normal camera. Pretty cool. I guess that maybe I'll just stay with wide angle for now. Alright, so version A, version B, let's go left to right. So the 1971 Plymouth Fury 3, version A. There's your little facts on the side in Bahama yellow. And then I'll just show the back once because everyone's seen the back of an Otherworld box. And we'll just go ripping. And in case you're new to my channel, I always keep the Autoworld cards. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them, but I keep them. I just absolutely love this color. This is going to look a little funky with the wide angle lens. Furious is what the license plate says. I love the wheels on this car. So cool. Black interior on this one. And then if you're new to Autoworld, the hood's open. So, pretty neat. Put those back to the side. I guess I can do these on the left for version A. Version B in violet poly. There's your effects. Purple is very nice. I do love a metallic color. The yellow was not metallic, it was just a kind of a gloss. What's the license plate on this one say? Foghorn. That's cool. I don't really know if that's a reference to anything. Great casting. That's probably one of my favorite recent ones that they did. Alright, let's see if the normal camera lens will be efficient enough. Moving on to the Barracudas. Haven't seen these in a while. This one is in medium turquoise poly. There are your facts. Oof. Almost dropped it. Ooh, I didn't even know this had a white stripe on it. The other one has a white stripe as well. Now, why isn't it in focus? What are we doing? I don't know. I got a new phone to record. Why are you being stupid? Yo, focus on the thing that's directly in front of you. Maybe I will just go back to the wide lens. I don't know. What is going on? Maybe wide lens is better now. I don't know. Ooh, is the license plate. Got black interior on this one. There's the hood. There's your facts. This one's on dark blue poly for version B. Did the other one have black wheels? No. So this one kind of has a black mag style wheel. Kind of a cream color interior. What is clicking over there on the right side of my desk? I don't know what it was, but I fixed it. Fishy. I guess a barracuda is a fish. I think. Maybe. I don't know. I don't live anywhere near the ocean. I'm in freaking Kansas. I do like seafood though. This one has a silver stripe on the top compared to white on the other one. I don't know, it's nice to open up Outer Worlds again. This one I'm excited for. I haven't seen a GT40 in a while. This one's in Race Red, which is a custom color. 65 Ford GT40. There is no opening hood on these ones. No license plate either to look at. Oh, what the heck? There's a little chip in the paint. I don't even drop this one. What the heck? I demand a free Ultra Red. It's not that big of a deal. It's just still a little annoying. I was weird. This is green. Is that supposed to be green? Yeah, it's green on the card. Oh, that's a little weird though. Oh well. Alright. Now we're at blue black for version B with black wheels. I guess the other one had black wheels as well. There's your facts. This is a neat color. I mean, it is pretty much just a very dark blue. Blue black. These are so small compared to the other castings that they do. I mean, it's just completely like overshadowed by the freaking lanyards. I did notice that this one does not have the text on the tires compared to the red one. Alright, 1964 Ford Country Squire. Haven't seen this one in a while either. In Guardsman Blue Poly. Got your wood grain on the side, tan interior, Galaxy Wagon, that's a cool name. I guess a cool license plate. Got that blue engine in there. I do love a wagon. Alright, moving over to the Poppy Red variant. There's your facts again. Got a plastic pile over there to my left. What does this license plate say? Red wagon. It is red. I kind of wish they did different wheels for each of these. Maybe give one the mag style wheel, one a stock wheel. But they still look cool. All right, super time. This one is in Sedona Sunset Metallic. 1998 Super is what it is. There's your facts if you didn't get to read those. Ooh, this color looks nice. A little odd for a Supra, but it still looks good. Superb. Tan interior. Actually, black dashboard with tan interior. This one they do the lensed headlights. I do wish the custom wheels they did were a little. I wish the tire profile was smaller, because they look a little odd with the tires being so thick. So maybe they'll do that in the future. This one I'm not able to get the hood open. So we'll take the risk and try to kind of wedge it open. I don't think that's going to work. I actually can't get it open. Maybe I'll have better luck with the next one. Alright, this one is Caribbean Green Metallic. There's your facts. Again, tan interior, black dashboard, same wheels, just different paint. Vibrant is the license plate. Let me get the hood open on this one. I don't know, there's just nowhere to like grip onto it. I need to get like a hobby tool to open hoods up. Well, that's the other Supra. And last but not least, the 1989 Dodge Caravan Turbo in flash red. There's your facts. This one's kind of a disaster to open. Alright, looks like we're looking at red on red for this one. This one has the turbo wheels for this trim level. I love the vans so much. The vans are so cool. Turbo says the license plate. And like a red interior in there. The fans are just so unique. Can I get the hood opened? No, I can't. Maybe on the next one. This one's just in black, not turbo black or flash black or fast black. I don't know. Just black. There's your facts. Red interior again on this one. This one kind of has like red pinstriping down the sides. That's cool. And also like a kind of a gray two-tone at the bottom. Three, two, one, go. The fans are just so cool. Can I get the hood open on this one? Nope. Yeah, I gotta get a little tool. Oh well. So that's pretty much all of them. I'll kind of just drive them to the middle. Very sloppily. Yeah, that's good enough. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Both A and B have been opened and reviewed. Let me know what you guys think of release 3 of 2025. A little bit late to the party from Auto World, but better late than never. Let me know which one is your favorite. I think I'm just gonna have to go with the Plymouth Fury 3. It's just such a, I love the big land yachts, but they're all pretty cool. So yeah, let me know which one is your guys' favorite. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.